I don't want us to celebrate me. Okay, I know that's the main thing, but I just don't want us to celebrate me alone. I want us to celebrate albinism. I want us to celebrate us, the people we are. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for fighting for our rights. Thank you for representing us here in Kenya. And we know that this albinism society is going to get far. We're going to spread our wings. We're going to spread our wings and reach out to all those who have not yet been reached out to. Sindio?
If given an opportunity, like any other child, if given that love, they can perform, they can bring out their best potential. I know that parents with children who have children with albinism or any other disability, they face many challenges in the society. People look at them and it's like there is something wrong with them. Why do they have children of this kind? But you know, everything, God has a plan.
As far as this performance is concerned, we knew my daughter has been very consistent in performance in school. We knew she would pass the exam, but not as high as she did this time.